Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all, grade 6. We are still studying seeing light. We have studied the structure of the human eye, and we have studied the different parts of the human eye. Today, first, we are going to see a video. After the video, I'm going to explain, or I'm going to see our book. We are going to solve one page of our book. Now, it's time for the video. This video is about the structure of the eye, as I told you. It's a wonderful video, and it will start now.
Wow, and Laura said, I am really into history. And we're going to learn about eyeballs in this video. Okay, so let's start here. Real simple. What are eyes? What are eyes? Well, the eyes are organs of the body. That's right. An eyeball is an organ of your body. So your eyes are organs. Pretty cool, pretty awesome, but that leads us to this question. What are organs? If your eyes are organs of your body, what are organs? That is a great question. Organs are special groups of tissues that have a specific job. Like the heart. Your heart is an organ. It's a group of tissues that has the specific job of pumping blood throughout your body. Or your brain. Your brain is an organ of your body. Your brain is a special group of tissues that has a specific job. It controls the actions of your body and allows you to think and to dream. Awesome stuff like that. Organs are incredible. Your heart is an organ, your brain is an organ, and your eyes are organs of your body too. Okay, so what job do your eyes have? If organs are special groups of tissues that have a specific job, what job do your eyes have? It's a pretty easy question, isn't it? Yeah, your eyes allow you to see. You see with your eyes. Your eyes are a special group of tissues that allow you to see. In fact, you're using your eyes right now to watch this video. Okay, so what do your eyes see right now? Yeah, little dog right top. Maximum cutage, and you wouldn't even know this existed if it weren't for your eyes. Alright, your eyes are showing you this doggy, this little doggy. Why is someone not picking this doggy up? Okay. Okay, so your eyes are organs of the body that allow you to see, but how do they work? How do your eyes allow you to see? Here is a drawing of the different parts of the human eye. We're going to find out how these parts work together to help you see. The first part of your eye we're going to learn is the iris. The iris right here on this drawing. The iris is the colored area of your eye. So when you're looking at someone, the colored part of their eye is called the iris right here. Now you might have noticed in the middle of the iris is a black dot. That black dot is called the pupil. The pupil. The pupil is a black dot right in the middle of the iris. Here is where the pupil is on this drawing of your eye. Now the pupil is a hole in the middle of your iris that takes in light. Your iris has muscles in it that makes your pupil either larger or smaller depending on how much light is in the area around you. If it's dark in the room, your pupils will be larger. If it's bright in the room, your pupils will be smaller because your eyes will not want to take in as much light. Light goes inside of the pupil. Then, right behind the pupil is a part of your eye called the lens. The lens. The lens focuses the light that comes into the pupil. To review, your pupil takes in light. It's a hole in the middle of your iris that takes in light. And your lens focuses the light that just came into your pupil. Remember, the lens is just behind the pupil, so they work together. You know, the light comes into the pupil, and the lens focuses the light. The final part of the eye we're going to look at today, look with your eyes, is the retina. The retina is in the back of the eye. The retina turns the light into electrical pulses that will get sent to the brain. The light that was focused through the lens goes to the retina where it turns into an image. That image is sent through these electrical pulses, and then your brain figures out exactly what you're seeing. All of these parts work together so well and so quickly that we don't even realize it's happening. We just see the images of what we see right away. Immediately, we don't realize that the pupil's taking in light, the lens is focusing the light, the retina on the back of the eye is turning that light into images that our brain can figure out. We just see everything moment by moment, but when you realize how complex and how many parts there are to your eyes, it's like, wow! I'm so glad that our eyes have all these parts because it is so cool that we get to see. Thanks for watching this video on the human eye. How incredible is the human eye, an organ of the body that allows you to see, and there are so many parts that work together. Super cool. Share what you learned with your friends, with your family, with anyone who you think would love to know how they are able to see.
Thank you. This is the end of this video. And now we are going to discuss one page of our book, okay, that we have solved today. This page, it speaks about the stage of the seeing vision. We have that. We said the eye is made up, as an organ, is made up of different tissue. We have number one, we have the pupil, which allow light to pass. And we said the pupil sometimes become wide when there is a dim light, and it become narrow if there is a bright light. The iris controls the pupil by contracting and relaxing. Also, we said we have cornea that protects the eye and work as a lens, outside lens. After that, we have the pupil, the iris, then we have the lens. The lens of the eye is a concave or convex. It's a convex lens. This convex lens also can be controlled by a muscle. This muscle is ciliary muscle. This ciliary muscle can relax to make the lens thick if the object is far, and can contract to make it thin if the object is near. So the lens of the eye responds to the distance of the object. The pupil of the eye responds to the type of light, if it is dim or bright. After that, after light passing through the lens, it goes to the retina. Retina is a layer of cells that lines the inside of the eyeball. Retina is made up of two different cells, rods and cones. The rods are some cells or type of cells that enable you to see dim light or faint light. Cones, there are cells respond to colors, allow you to see colors. After that, the retina will send or change this inverted image or upside down image that formed by the lens on the retina. The retina will change it into signal and send it to the brain through the optic nerve. The optic nerve will carry the signals from the retina to the brain, which will interpret it to give it the image that you are seeing. All of this happen with a very high speed of light. So we have number one, light enters the eye. Number two, light focuses on the retina. Number three, an image formed, inverted or upside down image. And rods and cones, which rods help you to see in dim light, cones help you to see colors. They are going to change the light signals into electric signals, then send it to the brain through the optic nerve. This is how we can see. After that, we have this the main parts of the eye which we spoke about. We have cornea that protects the eye work as an outside lens. We have the iris that controls the diameter or the radius of the pupil. We have the pupil, which is a black hole that allow light to pass. We have the lens that controlled by this muscle, ciliaris, and the lens collect and focus the image on the retina. This is the retina, the place of the retina lining up the eye, made up of rods and cones. And this is the optic nerve, which is going to send the image. By this, we come to the end of today. Till the next class, we are going to solve the worksheet. Don't forget to go on site person and solve your homework. Thank you, and goodbye for today.